from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you about half square triangles. All of these blocks are half square triangles, and they're so much fun to play with. And I'm going to show you how to make them easily in any size. If you're looking for more fun ways to play with your scraps and to have some hands-on guidance while you play, make sure you sign up for my free workshop. I'll put a link to that in the description below. And if you like my video, remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To make half square triangles in any size, you're just going to add 1 inch to whatever you want your finished half square triangle to be. Mine are going to finish at 4. I've got 2 5-inch squares here, so just the charm square. On my lighter fabric, I'm just going to draw a diagonal line from side to side, and then I'm going to put my squares together and line up all the edges. I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch on this side of the line, and I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch on this side of the line. It's going to look like this. Here are my seams on either side, and then I'm just going to cut on the line I drew. I like to set my seam by pressing it with the iron, and then I press the darker one so the seam is behind the darker fabric. Then we're going to square up our block. Because I did the 1 inch instead of 7/8, I have a little wiggle room. So because this is going to finish at 4, I want to square it up to 4.5. I've got my 45-degree line going along that seam line, and that will give you your half square triangle. And you get 2 half square triangles from doing that. So start with a square that's 1 inch bigger, square it up so it's 1/2 inch bigger than what you want it to finish at, and that will give you those half square triangles in any size you want. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.